Page 22, Springtime. The top of the page introducing another new note for the treble clef. I think this is the last new note now for a while, and it is the B. Remember, we've had the A and the C, and A is one ledger line and the C is two. Well, the B is right between them. It's just above that first ledger line. I'll leave it up to you to memorize that note. Let's talk springtime here. It's 4 lines long. Actually, it has a DC off fine, so it's longer than that. But we only have 4 lines to learn. Treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature, so it's in the key of F major. Common time, or 4/4 time. I see eighth notes, quarter notes, and whole notes. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure we understand what's going on. The right hand, you're starting here. Don't forget the B flat, it's in the key signature. It's 1 N, 2 N. And then once you come up here, not much you can do there. You just lift up and move. Here, you may have to practice that because there's no rest. Then lift up and come down. Do it again. At the end of the second line, you're here, and going to the third line, you come down here. It's the same position, but now it's a G. Lift up. Again, it's the same position, but now it's a G. Okay. Then at the bottom, the last 2 measures, you're here. Now it's B natural. See, they have to put in the natural sign or it'd be B flat because it's in the signature. Here, the thumb comes down. And then you're going to go back to the beginning where the thumb's here. Just lift up and bring it up. The left hand just has these 2-note chords. You have F and a here. So you're in this position and you're here. The third measure, it's a B flat C, and then an A. Let's go down to the last line. It's a B flat C, and then here. Now it's a G B natural, and then C's. At the end of the line, when you go back to the beginning, you're here. You just lift up and move. Here. Put the hands together, and it's here. Lift up. Get the idea? You put the hands together. Then get rid of the hesitation, so it's a steady beat. And then we'll think about the articulation. Now here's slurs. Let's connect them. Lift up. Here. These could be phrases, I'm not sure, but go ahead and lift up between each one. The left hand, you just play it. You can't connect them, so do the best you can. For the dynamics, it applies to the melody, which is the right hand. Mezzo piano is moderately soft. Whatever you think sort of soft is. And that's the only dynamic they give you until the bottom. The next to the last measure, you get the hairpin to crescendo or get louder. So you're going to go up to about a moderately loud. I suggest you save your loudest part to the whole note. Don't get that. It's like make the hairpin go across the whole measure rather than just a couple 3 beats. Go up to here. That's where you want to go. And then when you go back to the beginning, you're back down to moderately soft. As far as the speed go, well, allegretto, it's the fun speed, you know. But you have to consider the hand moves. You got to make those accurately. So how fast can you do that? How fast can you do this accurately? It's not a jerky motion or nothing. Relax. Just lift up and move. And that will be your allegretto. As far as interpreting it goes, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's about all we can do here. And everything else is in the dynamics and the phrasing. You just kind of feel it. Enjoy. Keep the left hand out of the way. again, at the end, if I feel a little retardando right before the fine, I'll just do it. Music doesn't say anything. That's interpreting. Not everybody agrees with that. Now be careful. But as far as I'm concerned, a lot of this at the end of these pieces, you can put in a retardando if you feel it. And you remember what DC al fine means, I hope. DC means go back to the beginning. Al fine means go to fine. And the fine is at the end of the second line. And they really should have a thin and thick bar line at the end of the second line. So if you want to take a pencil and thicken the second bar line and make it a thick one, that's fine. It should be a thin and thick. Let's play this together very slowly. I'll give us 4 counts. Now, I'm not going to do any dynamics there in or anything, but give us 4 counts anyway. And the fermata at the bottom, I'm going to hold the half note in the left hand 4 counts instead of 2. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 2, because I got to stay with the metronome. If you're just playing it, you just hold it out until it feels right, and then you go on. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold to the beginning. Two, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, off.